Hey everyone, today we're in Niagara Falls and we're going to take a walk going by the Skylon Tower, which is right here in front of me, and we're going to talk about a little bit of history about it, and then we'll take a walk down to the bottom of the hill up to the falls. So here we go. So the Skylon Tower opened in October of 1965, and the architect who designed the tower modeled it after the Seattle Space Needle, and the Skylon Tower gets its name from the space-like appearance combined with being a skyscraper. So that's how they came up with the name Skylon. And as I'm standing here doing this video, I can feel the mist of the falls from where I am. So it's nice and refreshing because the sun's kind of hot today. So, oh, you can see the little bug elevator going up. Goes right to the top. Oh, another one's coming down. It took a little over a year to build it, and it cost $7 million at the time, and it was financed. Sorry, it's windy and my papers, I have my papers with all my info, they're rattling. And it was financed by the Hershey Company and former co-owner of the H.B. Reese Candy Company of Hershey, Pennsylvania. So that's really interesting. And the tower stands 520 feet tall at street level, and it has 3 of those bug elevators that you saw going up and down. There's 3 of them, and it takes 52 seconds to ride to the top. And there's also 2 restaurants here. One is the revolving restaurant dining room, and it revolves around once every hour. So when you're having dinner, you get the whole view of the falls, and then it spins around very slowly, and you get to have views of the city. And maybe on a clear day you might see Toronto or Buffalo, so that's really neat. And I mean, amazing views way up there while having dinner, which I would think would be awesome. So it also has another restaurant, which is called the Summit Suite Buffet, and obviously that's buffet style restaurant. And you can see here, this is the parking lot. You can see in the distance, you can see the big sky wheel, Clifton Hill sky wheel over there. So it's got a huge parking lot. There's lots of parking, and there's another parking lot across the walkway, which you'll see after. So also at the base, there's a Starbucks there, and there's gift shops, and there's also a gift shop way at the top where they also have an observation deck, so you can just go up there and have a look at everything, all the views around. you can see up in front here, that's the walkway I was talking about. It goes across to where there's another big parking lot over here behind these trees. So you can park there and just take a walk across to go to the Skylon Tower. Big hotel you see sticking out, that's the Hilton. They put a huge addition on that the past few years. So you can see they have the different ads here for the different restaurants. And it gives you the menu items that they have on it. And just sort of let you know a few of them. There's roast prime rib beef, beef sirloin strips, grilled fish salmon fillet, and chicken cordon bleu. And they have different appetizers, and I'm sure they have pretty amazing desserts. And then the buffet one has different salads, as you can see here. There's lots of different items there. And they have fresh cakes, pastries, and their hot entree station has baked chicken breast and herb butter sauce, oriental noodles, just to give you a few ideas of what's on there. Also, if you're coming from this way, if you're coming back this way, then it's nice that there's stairs here that can cut through. And there's an escalator, not working right now, but that can take you across to that pathway there, the walkway, or take you up to the Skylon Tower. And one more thing about the Skylon Tower is there's been several people who have parachuted from the top of it. So you might want to Google that and see what that was all about. It's just an interesting fact about it. So if you're coming down to the falls, it's definitely a neat place to see, even just to go up to the top, just to have a look on the observation deck I mean, you can see amazing views of the falls up there and the city, so it's really nice. And this is where they have the Falls 3D 4D movie theater. And this is where you can buy tickets over here. It's a ticket booth for the Skylon Tower, but there's also one inside at the base of the tower. You can buy tickets there, right at the elevators. Let's give you an idea of what it costs if you want to take a trip on it. So adults are $14, child 12 and under is $9. That's for the observation deck. And you can get a day and night pass, which is $18 for adults and $11 for children, 12 and under. And there's the prices for 3D movies. And then they even have a combination with the movie and a ride to the top. So you get all kinds of little packages, which I think is great. Pizza here, the Dairy Queen, Orange Julius, Skylon original hot dogs. I've never tried that. I'm gonna try that this summer once things get a little better. So there's all their desserts. I'm sure you guys know what they have there. Dairy Queen and Orange Julius. Different ice cream treats, smoothies. Another nice view of it with the bug going up. Well, looks like they have all their summer flowers planted now. Looks so beautiful. You know, this right here where it says Welcome Center, there's information, tickets, adventure passes you can buy there. There's a little parking lot right here. So it's kind of nice if you want to be close to the falls and not walk too far, so you can park there and then you can see the waterfalls. It's just right across the street.
That's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching.